If you want to download your account data from Lyft, follow these simple steps to ensure you get all your information securely. Step 1. Open the Lyft app. Launch the Lyft app on your mobile device or visit the Lyft website on your computer. Make sure you are logged into your account. Step 2. Access account settings. Navigate to your account settings. In the app, tap on your profile picture or the menu icon, then select Settings. On the website, look for your profile icon in the top right corner and click on it. Step 3. Find data privacy options. Scroll through the settings until you find the privacy or data privacy section. This is where you can manage your data and privacy preferences. Step 4. Request your data. Look for an option that says Request account data or Download data. Click on this option to initiate the process. You may need to confirm your request through a verification step, such as entering your password. Step 5. Check your email. After submitting your request, check your email for a confirmation message from Lyft. They will notify you when your data is ready for download, along with instructions on how to access it. Once you have followed these steps, you should be able to download your account data from Lyft easily. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Lyft's customer support for assistance.